Yeah. I thought it came in right then. I got fooled. Joke's on you, Chuck. Yeah. There you go. I never had a stain on my shirt. I'm pine saw, pine needle, clean in the dirt. I got the works. I work the full shift full of work, not work, but I shelf boxes of hotness. Don't drop it. Materials of value in them boxes. Don't box me. Sugar Ray Leonard to them boxes. Watch me, not watch them. I'm like clockwork. Charles got a flavor clock on his shirt, and it tick tock, tick when it work. Pick mine, get twist mine, jack, it'll work. I got a smiley face, have a nice day t-shirt. Mikey said you should wear it at our next concert. And it's supposed to the kids on the CD insert. Hands in the air even if your arms don't work. The cool kids banging on the speakers in your system. Me and Mikey present one fish right by sickles.
Every time I kicks it roll, why are we too legit to fall? Of course you can get some more, but only if you get the door. It's the delivery man, but I ain't order that. It's the delivery man, but I ain't order that. It's the delivery man, but I ain't order that man. Add a little change to the pocketbook. I can shake each and every hand on an octopus in the time it takes to blink. Tick tock, it took 6 seconds just to get the ish poppin'. Drop the hook. Let me drop a hint. I rhyme in tsunamis, and this is just a drop of it. If you DJ, you should get a drop of this. I could be talkative if I like what the topic is. If it's broke, gotta fix it. If I'm not a whiz kid at it, then I guarantee that my partner is. Show me where the socket is. I don't even need a toolbox. Give me a wrench in 15 minutes, and I have it kicking like it had 6 speed in it. I'm a 10 speed, and my gears keep on clicking. My ears hear things that I can't even mention. Oh, is that just part of the invention? I go bananas before I let the monkey throw the wrench in. Now that I got your attention, old folks still waiting on your pension. I'm your new landlord, just call me when the rent's in. Every time I kicks it roll, why are we too legit to fall? Of course you can get some more, but only if you get the door. It's the delivery man, but I ain't order that. It's the delivery man, but I ain't order that. It's the delivery man, but I ain't order that man.
It's more than just a hobby or pastime. For 24/7 I'm representing a mass line. Daily grind, 85, wonder why. Maybe I'm way behind lately. Been occupying my mind with the possibility this means we'll all end with 2 albums and a handful of people I call friends, and friends I call my comrades, and comrades who stand together write a book till it ends. Indeed, as we be headed in directions, getting whole towns polarized, either loving or leaving. Indeed, I'm giving credit to the fan who believed it, preceding the hype of the hyperbole of the media. Even though some people abandoned ship, on the other hand, some were skeptical quick, but now they quit the bandwagon. Sagging my pants at the cocktail party with the mayor, and later rocking a party with 1,000 in the air. Yeah, that's a beautiful thing. And if you're new to this thing, don't front, ask a question, stay humble, do your thing. But just remember, you ain't gotta prove a thing. Stand up or fall down. Thanks for listening, y'all, because I got your back, even if you don't got mine. Grind in the dark when the clock strikes hard times. We ain't nothing if this bond ain't solidified. Give thanks in wartime that people still alive. Dignified soldiers who walk with the spirit of 12 million plus lost and found in this lyric. Sound man, turn it to the whole town. Hear it, either stand up or fall down. Now if you feel it, stand up or fall down. Stand up or fall down. While the record goes round, stand up or fall down. Stand up or fall down. Stand up or fall down. While the record goes round, let the whole town know that it's somebody tell me where the riders and the soldiers are before they close the door and go and start a colder war. I see them posted up in corner stores, holding fort, hoping for a life from the crack of an open door. And so the storm comes to cleanse without warm. Why the youth play with fire just to keep themselves warm in a cold world, cold people playing cold songs, sold for spare change while the broke hold on. Why they call themselves right but then act so wrong? $sign challenge while the unemployment line long. No call for the blue collar getting low ball. It's a long climb just to get to petty bourgeois. While we getting lifted but never forgetting that we fall. Hitting shake, distributed, but without the roll call. This is protracted struggle, revolutionized patience. Bump this on your right wing radio station, and maybe crack a top 10 daily rotation. But until then, you can keep ignoring what I'm saying. But just remember, you ain't gotta prove a thing. Stand up or fall down. Thanks for listening.